All right, let's talk about the count function. Now, essentially, the count function is going to count the number of values in a range. So in this particular spreadsheet, in this example, I would like to count the number of sales in each particular month. Now, where there wasn't a sale, it's just being left blank. And so the count function will not include that as part of the count. So here we go. I'm going to click into this cell. I'm going to type equals count and then open bracket. My syntax helper pops up. It's asking for values. Now, in this case, it's a range of cells. Again, the comma is for non-adjacent ranges of cells. So in this case, I just want B2 down to B9. So I'm going to type that in. B2 colon B9, and then I'm going to close the bracket. Now again, remember, you could have put in that range by using your mouse and selecting. There's various ways to get the range in there. I've simply decided to type them in. From here, I'm going to hit enter, and it gives me my value of 7, right? There were 7 sales in that particular month. If I fill that across, of course, it works nicely for the other ones as well. Now, count is a fairly common function, so there is a very fast way to do it. I'll show you that now. If I select the cells that I want to count, plus the column, in this case, that I want to put the count values in, so notice that I have all the values I want to count, plus this total number of sales column here. If you're on the Home tab, and you click the drop-down arrow next to that AutoSum button, you'll notice you have a function called count numbers. If I click that, it then puts it in. You'll notice if I click on one of those values, it has that count function. In this case, the formatting's gone a bit wrong, so I, of course, can select that. I'm going to go to my clear button. I'm going to say clear formats, and that gets the type of number that I'd want there. But you'll notice that when I click on any of those values, there's my count function. It's using, again, the same one that we learned how to type in down below.